Okay, I'm back here. When you buy these kind of kits like this, whether it's for buttons or the different sizes of, I don't even know what you call these tools, they normally come with a hole punch. So make sure when you do buy that kind of stuff, it comes with a hole punch. So I'm going to take the button here. I'm going to make sure that it'll fit through the hole, and that's about the right size there. You can see the hole is just dead on. You want it to be somewhat snug so the button doesn't slide around in the hole. So that's the right one there. And I'm going to take my hammer, position it on the hole, try to get it as straight as possible. There you go. There's one hole. I'm sure there's a more technical way of making sure these holes are evenly distributed, but it's not like it's that big of a deal for a little eyeglass case. So that's how the button's going to look right there. See that? So now I will fold it over as I did before. Fold it over, clamp it, make sure it's all set, the holes are all lined up, clamp it again, and then I'm going to mark the other hole here through this hole so that I know that the post is going to line up. Pull the clamps back off again, punch the other hole as accurately as possible. And there you have it. Now we have the holes punched. For the buttons. Pretty straightforward. And since I've got this other pattern that's almost identical in every sense of the word, I really don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Just punch right through the hole. This is the advantage of having another completed pattern. You can literally just, or a plexiglass version of it, you can literally just punch right through the hole. There you go. So now this one's got the holes punched, and this one I'm probably going to do silver. So it sort of stands out. Now I will move on to the next step in this process that I'm doing.